Roman Shimonov, CEO and founder of Roshel. 2026 is very special for us because this year is basically a culmination of all of the things that we learned in Ukraine. We have over 2,500 units that we presented here, and the result today is a huge learning curve that we had to learn from different threats, from drone attacks, from land mines, and many other things. And the result is shown right here at Eurosatory. We have the Senator MRAP with 5 doors based on Ford F-550 chassis. This vehicle already proved itself as the most cost-effective when it comes to the after-sales support, in-service support, ability to ramp up the production and produce 16 units a day. And this process has been done in the last few years, where we were able to create the most cost-effective solution that is not just a vehicle, but also a transport that can be integrated with different weapon systems, with the counter-drone system, medical evacuation. And of course, this vehicle is one of the best in its class when it comes to the protection level versus its weight. On my right, as you can see over here, is the ERV, and this vehicle is designed especially for the law enforcement agencies. It has a different access, very good performance when it comes to torque, braking distance, and acceleration. And both of these vehicles, they share the same parts, so commonality parts is an important thing that we always try to keep to ensure that the downtime of the vehicle can be as low as possible, and end users will be less dependent on the OEM when it comes to the battlefield. It's not a secret when the vehicle gets damaged. We want to make sure that it's really easy and cost-effective to bring him back into the operation, and that's the approach and philosophy we always take when we design the vehicles. Today we're unveiling the new Roshel Captain that is now based on Ford Ranger Super Duty. And what makes this vehicle very unique and special, and that all of the parts are common to the Senator. The vehicle is smaller, but despite its size, it still has an extended payload of 1.5 ton on this small, tiny vehicle with 2 people in a single cab variant or up to 5 people in a double cab variant. This vehicle comes both in a pickup version or a full APC. It has a lot of great features like the rear differential lock and right-hand drive versus left-hand drive configurations. Everything is bolted on, and the vehicle is also very easy and cost-effective to operate. This vehicle is specifically designed to address the demand that exists today in Europe, in North America, in Latin America, and we developed this vehicle in order to create this family of vehicles where we have the smaller vehicle, the medium, and the 15-ton MRAP that we have introduced earlier this year. We believe that the Roshel Captain will be a very popular vehicle within various ministries of defense across Europe. And with this vehicle, we are going to position it as one of the easiest vehicles to integrate into the Army because of the very easy to train approach. The dashboard, the UI, everything is very user-friendly, and one of the biggest advantages that can be serviced anywhere across the network of Ford.